That the thing I last posted was should I go up there and see what go upstairs and investigate? I don't know. I don't actually know, man. Let me just mind my own business and just watching. Let's see what we can find. Look at that bird. What the hell? It just disappeared. That's scary. Well, I think it flew into one of the trees. Let's see. I do not see it yet, guys. This is so bad. But look at the pond there. It's very cool. Oh, look. I saw them. I saw 2 birds fly. So that was cool, guys. Subscribe and enjoy the video. I see you tomorrow. I mean, see you after this video because